Hey, turn that shit up, man. Hey, turn that shit up, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shit, drilling double.
It's your boy Young 360.
What's good to YouTube? It's your boy Drill-tastic, back like I never left with another video, man. And today, got another unboxing video, man. Today payday, you know what I'm saying? Had to come out pocket real quick, you know what I'm saying? But we finna put that back in the savings, cause this ain't it no more, bro. Not the controller. The controller's fine. The controller's fine. This ain't it no more, bro. This still good too, but as y'all can see, we upgrade, man. Yes, sir. We upgrading. You feel me? But hey, let's get right into the news. Oh yeah, what is that? Before I finish opening the box, what y'all think this is? P5, another box, or you think it's another PC? Let me know in the comment section down below. But right into here we go, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. Boy, stop playing with him. Boy, stop playing with him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's get it out this box. Hold on, I'm finna pop these real quick. We finna get that out the box and we'll be right back. Alright, we back, man. What did I say? Okay. Alright, I was reading that, but we back, man. Got the Xbox Series X this time, y'all. We upgraded to the, you know what I'm saying? 4K 120 FPS, come with the 1 terabyte already. Bam. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, we had to get right. We had to get right. Yeah, we had to go crazy. Let's open this box, man. How this box open? Hold on. Alright, man, we back live in effect. Let's get this thing open, bro. It has another. Boom. Let's crack this joker open, man. Okay. Got the protector. Okay. Ooh. Is it? Okay, it's tied. I hate when they do that, bro. But say, quick question. Do y'all have y'all Xbox standing upright or laid down, bro? How y'all have y'all's, man? Let me know. I can't get it. Hold on. Alright, y'all. We are back live in effect, man. And now that I have the box out, let's get to these power cords and such, man. Ooh, I didn't know this would come out. I thought it just flipped up. Like it's damaged. We gonna keep this. I got a better HDMI. We gonna keep it though. Let me see. Hold on. It do say ultra high speed though, so I don't know. We might. We might. I don't know. Alright, I got the power cord. Definitely need this. Most definitely. Let me see. What else in this junk? What that is? Oh yeah. Oh my god. Controller. I heard that ASMR, bro. Yes, sir. Said that with the box. Yeah, that's everything, man. Let's get it back right. Let me see. Go. Boom. Like so. Boom. Like so. Boom. Like so. Like so. You know what I'm saying? Close this back up. Put the box up. And we finna get right into the news. Boom. Let's get right into it, man. Let's go and open this up. ASMR, bro. It's crazy work. You feel me? Oh my good Lord. Tell me drinks on me. Hold on me. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got a history. Which one y'all taking, man? Which one y'all taking? You know what I'm saying? I know they're the same, but what color scheme y'all going? This one show dirt, this one don't. You know what I'm saying? But look at, hold on. These feel like two different. I could be tripping, but these feel like two different. You know what I'm saying? Like they feel different. But I could be tripping. I could be sleepy. Who knows, bro? Who knows? Alright, let's get the box. Let's scoot it back. Set that right there, like that right there. I'm gonna grab this Roku remote. I'm gonna push continue. I'm gonna throw that back. Let's open this, shall we? Up out there. Oh, it's taped off. Both sides. Got this thing rolled up. What you looky here? What the fuck is that? Oh, that's Vince. Okay. I ain't know what was going on, y'all. But they had that thing rolled up. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Not gonna lie, bro, like this. The Xbox feel the same, but okay, so I gotta go this way. I'm confused, bro. Okay, so vent. I'm assuming that's where you stand it if you want to stand it. And I'm assuming this the way you lay it down if you want to. So I'm assuming it goes this way. I would assume. Just because of the ports, but what color scheme y'all going with, man? Let me know something. Like, what color scheme is y'all going with? Because this is crazy work. Something about that one we don't know about, bro. You versus the guy she told you not to worry about is crazy work. I don't even know why I thought of that, but that's crazy work. Let me see. Let's get a stand-up comparison. Oh, this may not stand up. Contrary belief. But hold on. I don't know now. Don't pay attention to the background, man. I was putting clothes up before. But they're not too bad height-wise, but I definitely don't know which one would be better. Should it be better to lay? I know this one, I had problems with it standing up. Like saying the overheating factor or some stuff, and the game won't even be hot. But when it's laying down, it's perfectly fine. This one, should I lay it down? Or should I stand it up? Or should I lay it down? Y'all let me know in the comment section down below, man. And then I'm finna get this plugged up and hooked up for y'all. I'm finna get to installing my game. So we be right back. Alright, y'all. Just got the box hooked up. I gotta connect the Xbox app, and I gotta set up my my OBS and my my Elgato again, and then we'll be right back. And I know y'all see that Chevy, man. Look at that Chevy, man. Ooh.
Got him!
Hey, turn that shit up, man. Hey, turn that shit up, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shit, drilling double.
It's your boy Young 360, man.